Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can merge two invoices on Xero, so let's get started. Xero does not allow you to truly merge two existing invoices into one. Instead, it uses a copy and merge function to combine the line items of multiple draft invoices into a brand new single invoice. The key requirement here is that both invoices must be in draft status, so if you have an approved invoice you want to include, you must first open it and use the Options button to copy to a new draft invoice, and then repeat this step for any other approved invoices before proceeding. Once all the invoices you want to combine are sitting in the Drafts tab, navigate to Business and select Invoices, then click on the Drafts tab to view your pending entries, and you can only select invoices that are for the same customer and same currency. Now, simply select the checkboxes next to the two or more draft invoices you wish to consolidate, then click the Copy and Merge into a New button, which appears at the top of the list, and in the pop-up window, make sure Invoice is selected. Then choose the correct contact for the new combined invoice. Xero will now generate a brand new draft invoice containing all the line items from the selected originals. You should review this new consolidated invoice carefully, ensuring details like the date and reference are correct. And then you must go back to the Drafts tab and manually delete or void the original, individual draft invoices to avoid sending duplicates and cluttering your accounts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.